I'm making cornbread for the first time ever. I have watched it, my mother make it when I was younger using Jiffy, but I never quite made it myself. So I got the Trader Joe's box because I felt like the ingredients would be better somehow. I don't remember if it's much different than the vegetarian Jiffy, which I now know that they have. I didn't know they had one. Regular Jiffy has lard, which is pork fat. We don't want that. So I'm using a flax egg, which is flaxseed meal mixed with water, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal, and 3 tablespoons of water. That's what I saw originally, so I went with that, but that doesn't look like an egg. Then I added 3 more tablespoons, and now it looks like a beaten egg. So that's what it is. 1 scoop of flaxseed meal, 1 tablespoon, and then 6 tablespoons of water. So I opened this pack on up, and look how big the box is. But look at the bag that it comes in. And then it's like half. You know when you have a bag of chips, and half of it has air in it, and then the other half is just the quantity? So that tickled me. That made me laugh. At this point, I followed the directions on the box. For the most part, I was supposed to put 3/4 of milk, and I put 2/3 at first. And I was unsure, then I added 1/4, and I had a whole math issue going on, and I Googled a lot about fractions. Then I noticed the corn pieces in the mix, and I don't remember if Jiffy used to have the thick pieces of corn in there, or if it was blended. I don't know. But I mixed it all together, and it was easy to pour, and I was pairing it with baked beans. I've never made baked beans before. I know they have them a lot in the South, and they put bacon in it and pork and stuff, but I'm using chickpeas, and I found this recipe online that has a good chickpea baked bean recipe, so I will link that down below in the description. So both of these go in the oven on 350 for about 40 minutes. That's the amount of time I did for the cornbread, and then I left the beans in there for about 45 minutes total. And it came out great. So golden, so brown. You see where I stabbed it with the knife to make sure that there was no, the knife came out clean. I threw together a quick coleslaw with the coleslaw pack. The ready-made packs. And I plated up my beans, plated up the cornbread, and I was just so happy. I like all the flavor in the beans, the green peppers and onions, and I just love the light, airy feeling of the cornbread. I was so happy for my first attempt.